Yeah man, your boy Talk Through TV. Just like and subscribe to the channel, you see it. They are wait for the engine, you know. They are wait for the engine, cause guess what happened? Body gone home. But the man say him come in 30 minutes, so. Yeah, I'm there sit down and go and wait for him, you see me? I'm alone in the shop here. Body gone home. I'm alone there, you see it. Well, that's all they are wait. Crane have to lift up the engine when it come. Just there I go and chill out me alone, you know. Go and wait for the engine to come, you see me? Yeah man, this is a little place where we go and work, you see me? Don't know. Yeah man, you see it? All body work and spray and everything we do, you know? You see me? Everything. You can't mash up, it come back complete. From the engine to the body to the color. Yeah man. And all of them, color up. And run through the engine room. Check everything. See them? Color up, them a color up. You see me? Yeah man. You see them? Coming from the spray man already, you see me? Yeah man. So we do we think man? Yeah man, you saw the spray board this, you see me? They're kind of dark still, but spray board that. See the thing them, well, boss I work on the back here. The stretching machine there. Look on the stretching machine up here, you see me? How you stretch it there, them pan, you see me? Kind of look darkish. So I'm alone there, and I mixing lab that. You see me? Mixing lab, you see it? All the color mixing now. Yeah man, the mixing lab that. Yeah man, so this is on the stretching machine, isn't it? That's a load, beer car outside, see them? On that truck, them here wait for the engine for. You saw them out there? Yeah man, so anytime you see we bring them in, pretty like them come from the dealer back again, you see? Yeah man. So we do it. Our forklift. Lift up them when they can't drive to bring them in the lab. No? Or lift them up and bring them in the lab. Well, the reason why you hear the noise there, we don't really left ear in the drum. Every night evening when we are going, let out ear. So this is the big ear machine, this is all of the ear gun and the spray pan and everything. Complete segment. Man, see this now? Come from the body man. They over to his side now. That's over the mechanic lab. You see me? At the lab to the mechanic side. So we have put the belly in it. Body man straighten it up and put on the nose already and everything. So it's over full side now. I don't know. We wait can we. Yeah man. All over here so. A tire machine, eh? Yeah man, it's a tire machine. And this is how we use a skim rotor. Rotor skimmer this, you see me? Who don't know it? If you must have to buy a brand new rotor if you want. Back in the days, you know. Come on, this garage, trust me. Garage are years, over 50 or 60 odd year out of garages. So this is the skimmer where you skim the rotor. Yeah. Yeah man. Backyard, all of this car was crushed. See them? Thousands, hundreds. Yeah? Yeah man. And police pound the car them over the side over there, so we put them and police pound them. So when they meet in a normal accident and come from that side there. So anything where you see over there is a police pound. So police pound man up here. Wall it, you see? Over the pound. And you see over the accident side. Yeah. Yeah man, this contain this are the big machine, this are the like the where build up the heat, the compressor. You know, it work with the compressor with the air, called turbo compressor that's not. Yeah man. So this is the line and balance machine. This is and balance the tire them. When the tire them bend up and the rim bend up, yeah, this is the line and balance. You know, vice we use on wall things, yeah man. The oil pan where you change oil with. Yeah, man. See me? So I just do an operation here so today. So that's why you see the oil, hold it for oil here, so. You know, take out the engine when I wait for now to put it in back. But show we want the ice here. We shove it off and shove it out there so because you know so we done early, take it out early so we didn't need the ice here for work so and the oil may absorb up back, you know. Yeah, man. My little sander we use. Well, you don't know. My tool pan there, alright.